We experience the world through our five senses: sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing. But what if our perception is not limited to these five senses? What if we possess a sixth sense, a way of perceiving things beyond the reach of our physical bodies? Throughout history, there have been accounts of individuals seemingly able to perceive events or information remotely, without any known physical means of communication. These accounts suggest the possibility of a human capacity that extends beyond our conventional understanding of perception. Could it be that we possess a latent ability to access information not bound by the constraints of time and space? This idea lies at the heart of a fascinating phenomenon known as remote viewing. Join us as we journey into the realm of human consciousness and its unexplored potentials. Remote viewing is the ability to describe or gain information about a distant target, person, or event without using any of the five senses. Imagine closing your eyes and somehow seeing a specific location thousands of miles away, describing its details with surprising accuracy. It operates on the premise that we are all connected to a universal information field, sometimes referred to as the matrix. This field is thought to contain information about everything that has happened, is happening, and potentially will happen. Remote viewers, through specific techniques, claim to tap into this matrix, accessing information beyond the limitations of time and space. It suggests that consciousness is not confined to the brain, but might be a non-local phenomenon, meaning it can exist and operate beyond the physical limitations of the body. While the concept might sound like science fiction, it has been the subject of serious research, particularly during the Cold War. To grasp remote viewing, we venture into quantum physics, challenging our classical understanding of reality. Non-locality suggests particles can influence each other instantaneously, regardless of distance. This challenges Einstein's theory of relativity. If information is instantaneously accessible, it suggests a universe interconnected in ways we are just beginning to understand. Our minds might access information non-locally, transcending space and time. Imagine the universe as an ocean of information and our minds as drops within it. Remote viewing taps into this ocean, not just the immediate surroundings. This interconnectedness could redefine consciousness and reality. The concept of remote viewing gained significant attention during the Cold War, a period marked by intense rivalry and suspicion between the United States and the Soviet Union. Both superpowers, intrigued by the potential of psychic espionage, poured resources into researching and developing psychic abilities, including remote viewing. In the United States, the program that garnered the most attention was Project Stargate, a secret government initiative that ran for over 2 decades. Within this project, individuals with purported psychic abilities were trained in remote viewing techniques and tasked with gathering intelligence on Soviet activities. The legacy of these Cold War-era programs continues to shape the field of remote viewing today, with many of the techniques developed during that time still being used and refined by researchers and practitioners. From battlefields to the brain-expanding applications of remote viewing, while initially explored for its potential in espionage, remote viewing has since transcended its military origins, finding applications in various fields, from personal growth to scientific exploration. Today, remote viewing is no longer solely the domain of government agencies. It has entered the mainstream with numerous workshops and courses available to the public, teaching individuals how to develop and hone their own remote viewing skills. People from all walks of life are now exploring remote viewing for personal growth, self-discovery, and problem-solving. Beyond personal applications, researchers are investigating the potential of remote viewing in fields like archaeology, medicine, and even space exploration. While these applications might seem futuristic, they highlight the diverse and potentially groundbreaking applications of remote viewing beyond its initial military context. Controlled remote viewing, a glimpse into the methodology. One of the most well-known and structured methods of remote viewing is controlled remote viewing, or CRV. This system was developed by Ingo Swann, a key figure in the development of remote viewing techniques. CRV is a highly disciplined and analytical approach that involves a series of steps designed to minimize bias and enhance accuracy. It emphasizes a non-judgmental and objective observation of impressions received during a remote viewing session. The process typically involves a viewer and a monitor. The monitor provides the viewer with a target, which could be a photograph, a location, or even a concept. The viewer then enters a relaxed state of mind and attempts to access information about the target through a series of sensory impressions, sketches, and intuitive insights. Science or speculation? The ongoing debate on remote viewing. Remote viewing remains controversial within the scientific community. Some researchers claim compelling evidence, while others cite methodological flaws and lack of a clear theoretical framework. Skeptics argue positive results are due to experimenter bias, sensory leakage, or fraud. Proponents counter that decades of research, including government-funded programs, show statistically significant results. They argue that lack of a complete theoretical framework does not negate the phenomenon. The debate highlights the challenges of studying phenomena that challenge current scientific paradigms. Unlocking potential applications and implications for the future. If remote viewing is indeed a genuine human ability, its implications are far-reaching, touching upon various aspects of our lives, from personal growth to scientific advancement. Imagine a world where we could access information beyond the limitations of our physical senses, where we could tap into the vast reservoir of knowledge that might be encoded within the fabric of reality itself. In the realm of personal development, remote viewing could empower individuals with a tool for self-discovery, intuition development, and enhanced creativity. It could provide insights into personal challenges, relationships, and life decisions. On a larger scale, remote viewing could revolutionize fields like archaeology, medicine, and environmental science. Imagine locating lost cities, diagnosing illnesses remotely, or predicting natural disasters with greater accuracy. The potential applications and implications of remote viewing are vast and thought-provoking, urging us to expand our understanding of human potential and the nature of reality itself. The journey continues, remote viewing and the unexplored territories of consciousness. Remote viewing, with its intriguing history, controversial present, and potentially revolutionary future, stands as a testament to the unexplored territories of human consciousness. It challenges our assumptions about the limits of perception, the nature of reality, and the interconnectedness of all things. As we delve deeper into the study of consciousness and its hidden potentials, we embark on a journey of discovery not only about the nature of reality, but also about ourselves, our place in the cosmos, and the untapped capabilities that might lie dormant within us all. The exploration of remote viewing is ultimately a journey into the unknown, a quest to understand the full potential of human consciousness and its relationship with the universe.